birth certificate adpak, those birth certificates which are before 1970 are in office of civil registrar. Now what has happened is loka zait tras something. Every time we have even collector Margaon gele, even MAPSA I believe doesn't have proper some documents are not available. Now what has happened is there is staff there is everything, but 1960, and you have given a reply, you have given me a reply saying that all the offices microfilming scanning zala digitalization zalamon. Actually kaina digitalization jotor zala zalar, why people are not given prints, why are they made to write?
प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर हें सगळें डिजिटायजेशन केलां, तो प्लॅटफॉर्म आमी वापरिना, आमचो प्लॅटफॉर्म वेगळो आहा आनी ज्या कंपनीन हें केल्या त्या कंपनीन ह्यूज चार्जीस टू चेंज द फॉर्मॅट प्लॅटफॉर्म हो कोट केल्या मुळे गेल्या म्हाका दिसता 2-4 वर्सां हो विशय थंयच उरलो. ही ऑर्डर 2012 पयलीं दिल्ली. कंप्युटर लँग्वेज एक्स and what not even language, it is platform, and what we are operating is a Y platform. So we are trying to match X with the Y, which we have done already on trial basis. Nowadays they are doing the full exercise. Once that happens, documents will be available. परत ते document हे करपाची digitize करपाची गरज ना, तो exercise केला already. They have already solved the issue. Now only they require some time to match it. So that they are doing. So, and they have told me that by August we will get. So, for subject to technological problem, it within 2 months, yes.
Court orders astai ni, some court orders come.
किरे तुझे issues आते दी मरे हांव resolve करता म्हणले नाही. For as a system problem, I will resolve it as a system problem.